John Piper with what is actually the weekend video, and it's Friday the 11th of August. I'm doing this today because I missed the report last week. I've been really busy with the crypto service starting the thing up and getting everything ready for it. And I apologise, there's no excuse missing a report, so I apologise unreservedly for that. I think do more reports in a year than I actually say I will, so I think I'm actually losing out how such, but even so, I'm saying do something, I should do it, and I generally do, of course. But I think the crypto service is very important because you look at the Bitcoin chart here, we've got these 5 waves up here, and here, and here. So it's giving a very clear signal that we're going to see a solid bull market, I believe. And whereas Bitcoin will do very well, I think. I mean, whether it will actually 20x, and it would be 600,000. It's quite a large sum. It was the previous high was 66,000 odd. But it should certainly take out 66 very easily and be in the hundreds of thousands. But some of the smaller coins could easily 100x, I think, certainly 50x. And a good collection of those, I think, well, I'm certainly planning to invest myself, and the service will be recommending coins based on a proprietary formula my brother's actually come up with. My brother David is very good on crypto, and I say this calculation thing he's designed is, I think, a very, very useful guide to what could be achieved by these various coins. Anyway, also it occurs to me, because you already get this crypto input through the technical trader, it's only fair to give you a reduced price on the crypto service. So for people who are viewing this now, or our subscribers, the price of the crypto service is $12.50 in the first year, not the 2,000 odd. And I'll put a payment link in the email today on that. But it should be a very useful service, and we have got, well, I think we've got a huge opportunity here based on what we're seeing on these charts. We've got the 5 waves here, ABC, 5 waves there, ABCDE wedge, 5 waves here, and another A, B, C. Just need more confirmation, really. It's just not really quite set the world alive just yet. Let me get down to the 5-day chart. But I think the writing's on the wall. I mean, it certainly looks corrective. A, B, C. Maybe that's an A, B, C, B. And this, it's just waiting for the thrust up. I think just it could be a little bit few days, could be a week or so down the road. But I think it's time to get geared up for this, because it's, in my view, certainly coming. Same with Ethereum. I won't go through the whole details, but again, 5 waves here, nice and clear. A, B, C, and we are showing more life here, in fact. But again, we could do with more, but it does look a pretty solid beginnings to a decent rally. Gold has played a bit lower, in fact. I mean, it still looks fairly good. This still looks like a correction. A, B, C. This looks fairly impulsive. We discussed this before. Again, this looks like a correction going to a point, almost like a falling wedge type pattern. I'll put the trend lines in, but that's quite an interesting form, really. Okay, so quite an interesting funnel, really. I think that's quite close to an end, but no guarantees just yet on that. Yeah, a similar funnel here. I don't think you often see that. I haven't seen that before, I don't think. I mean, it's probably been there once or twice, but quite an unusual form. It does look like it's coming to a point, as I said. And the next rally is pretty quite close, I would say. Alright, FTSE, no change of opinion. We've still got this rather negative pattern. 5 waves down, ABC, 5 waves down, ABC, 5 waves down, and I said sell, and we're getting the ABC here now. And yeah, I mean, that could be the sell signal. It looks pretty good. It's down to a slightly shorter term chart, 5-day chart. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess this could be the 4 here, or the 4 could perhaps be here. But I think we have seen 5 waves there. There's only 5 waves there. 1, 2. You take your pick, really. I mean, 3, 4, 5. So we now expect a corrective rally, and then we should see a solid decline, maybe from around here somewhere, exactly. That sort of thing. We just put the 5 waves on the chart. Goes down. It's possible 5 is not yet over, but this is not really very clear. This is quite a short wave also. It could actually be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I think that the wave 2 rally is quite close. and it's probably better to wait for that before selling, I would suggest. Wave down, looks like the wave 1 actually went down to here in fact, and this could be the wave 2 peak here. It's much clearer in hindsight once the wave is actually completed rather than doing it on the hoof, as it were. So that would be the 1 there, 2 there, and I mean the 2 may want to extend. That's quite a small 2. It could be an A, a B, and I think that's probably a better count of that. Put the fibs on in a minute. So let's say 2 more. Let me just put the fibs on here. Looks complete. The 2 may want to go up to around here at the 61.8% level. But it looks like, you know, we're on the way down here. I mean, it's quite pretty clearly impulsive move. Obviously corrective move here. So a third wave coming in quite soon would be my expectation as we head on what could be quite a large bear market in my view. I've been saying for a while now. I think that's the way this is going to go. So clear. I mean, you've got the 5 waves up, ABC, 5 waves up. This looks corrective again, so in fact it still looks correct. This could be a wave 4, I guess. It could be that we've still got a 5th wave to come in the US. But if so, the actual uptrend is yet to begin. Well, it would seem the uptrend is yet to begin because this is not an impulsive formation. So it may be that we've seen an A, a B, and a C perhaps. But it may, I mean, could accelerate. It could be this is actually the decline starting up. It's just disguising its intention at the moment, which markets love to do, of course. It's where they keep people off the position. They keep the position smaller so they can still move. They get overweight in any one position. They have the reverse. So this kind of disguise is actually quite normal in many ways. That's a clear sort of 1 wave down. That's a pretty correct move. So 1, 2, and this could be the third of a third sort of starting to head down. So that's right then. Again, get around here somewhere. 4 to around here perhaps, and 5 down to around that. I mean, a fair amount of guesstimation in there, but that would be the kind of thing. Obviously, I run into chart. These figures show more. But it looks like an impulsive move has begun today. All for today. If you find anything useful, back with reports on Tuesday.